Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're excited because today I'm going to be showing you how to transfer your files between two devices with ease without having to sign in or get any app. But before we begin, please like and subscribe and also share the video. So first what you want to do is go to this website, justbeamit.com, or just search justbeamit. Now when you search it up, it should be the first link, File Transfers Made Easy. What you want to do is click on it. And then you see the parachute. You want to click on that and drag and drop. Or just select your files which you want to add. It can be anything, a PDF, video, image. Now as an example, I've selected some. So there you see they're all in there. Next what you want to do to share to the other device is press the green button. Create link. Once you do that, it will show QR code and a link. What you want to do is open that short link that it just created onto the other device. And once you do, it will show the same files you added and a download button zip. So what you want to do is press the download button, the green download, and then save your files wherever you want. The next step you'll have to do is extract the files, which I'll show you right now. So you open your files up. Find the folder. Once you find it, what you're going to do is click right-click and find extract. And then press the button to continue. And you should have all your files. Now if you're on a phone, you will have to extract using an app, or should just have an option. Almost the same as a laptop or computer. Now as you can see, you got all your files in one place.